an activation of the Amber Alert system at the request of the Dallas Police Department. Today, around 2:30, 7 and Curtis Jeter were last heard from and known to be in the 5900 block of Highland Village Drive. Stephen and Curtis are believed to be with their father, Curtis Everett Jeter II, and are possibly in danger. 7 is described as a 3-year-old, 30 inches high, weight 25 pounds, black hair, and brown eyes. Curtis is 5 years old and is described as 35 inches high, weight around 40 pounds, hair is black with brown eyes. Anyone having any information should contact the Dallas Police Department at 911. We now resume normal programming.